कॉन्फरन्स घेता कित्याक सद्या CEC सेंट्रल एम्पावर्ड कमिटी हांगा इन्स्पेक्शन आनी मिटिंगां लागून आयल्या जे 3 प्रोजेक्ट वायल्ड लायफ सँक्च्युरी आनी नॅशनल पार्क मोले नॅशनल पार्क आगीर वायल्ड लायफ सँक्च्युरींतल्यान जे वतात ते प्रोजेक्ट्सा बद्दल जे आमचे ऑब्जेक्शन्स आसात तेजेर डिसायड करपाक ते हांगा इन्स्पेक्शनाक आयल्यात पूण जे प्रेस नोट्स भायर सरतात की CEC कशे झाडां कमी मारची मिटिगेशन मेजर सांगता ते हेजेर आमी सगळे शॉकात जाल्यात आनी हे आमचे जे पोजिशन आसा लोकांचे गोंयांत पडचो नाकाचे ते आमी तुमचे मुखार लोकां मुखार दवरूंक सोदता म्हणून हे प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेतला.
So,
introduce yourself first.
I'm Deepika from Govt Kolsonaka. In August,
Surname?
D'Souza. In August 2020, Govt Kolsonaka sent a detailed letter. This is the letter to CEC with 23 annexures regarding the projects and what are our concerns. We never received a reply, but we know they got it because we sent it by speed post. Then in January, when we knew they were coming, we again repeated and requested, can we meet with them? And we sent a second letter, but there's been no response. And now they've come to Goa, and we hear they've met only with certain NGOs. Now not NGOs, they met with government officials, they've met with authorities and the project proposals. None of the people have been met. Even groups from Karnataka who have been opposing the projects from Karnataka, the groups who have stopped NH4A in Karnataka and have gone up to Supreme Court, even they haven't been met. So we are very, very disappointed, and we frankly cannot understand what role the CEC is playing. With regard to NH4A, in the papers, this is what we have heard because we have not met them, but they say that we will save heritage trees. What do you mean by heritage trees? Do we look at it from our point or from the point of an animal who is depending on the tree? Who defines heritage trees first? Second is, where are the traffic studies to justify we need another highway? We already have 4 roadways going from Goa to Karnataka. Why do we need this expansion? There's been no justification, and CEC hasn't at all questioned why do we need NH4A. So that is the question that I want to ask, is why do we need NH4A to begin with?
The transmission line, Goa Chief Minister has come on record saying that, my name is Emil Carvalho, has come on record saying that Goa needs a transmission line, otherwise within 2 years Goa will run out of power and he will not be held responsible. He has not given anything to substantiate this statement. In fact, all information available in government documentation is contrary to what he says. The Goa Tanmar project, when it was first planned in 2015, assumed that Goa will require 934 megawatts in 1819. Goa is in 2021 and it has used only 67% of that power. Goa has surplus for power. The Power Minister, Mr. Nilesh Kabral, has come on record last month saying Goa will get all its power, 650 megawatts, via renewable energy. Karnataka Forest Department has rejected the Goa Tanmar project. All documentation proves that this project is not required by the Goans, and it's going to cost money. I think the Chief Minister of Goa should talk with his Power Minister and decide that Goa does not require this power and should switch to renewable energy. Thank you.
Okay, last up.
Ilma.
I'm Ilma Dias from Betlabad. Well, the people of Goa have been protesting from 2016. Out of the 189 panchayats, more than 100 had passed a resolution to had resolved not to allow coal transportation. 3,000 objections have been sent against land acquisition, but the government is just turning a blind eye to all these. Are the people of Goa so foolish to listen to the government? We want to tell the government that the people of Goa are not going to be silent anymore, and we are going to do the best that we can to stop these projects. The future generation is at risk. We are already facing a climate crisis. So the government should pay attention. They are not involved in the project at all. They are silently working on the projects, and everything is being a fake picture is being given. about all that is happening. So we the people of Goa are very alert, and we are going to respond to all this. We are going to protect ourselves if the government is not able to protect us.
Thank you. All right.